The heavy-duty truck war is entering a whole new level, and Ford may have just fired the first major shot. The 2027 Super Duty isn't simply getting a facelift. It's becoming tougher, smarter, more luxurious, and far more capable in ways that could completely reshape the HD segment. Ignite your engines. You're on the grid with Motor Maven. From serious off-road hardware finally reaching lower trims to luxury features appearing in commercial-grade work trucks, Ford is targeting nearly every type of buyer at once. And with massive diesel torque and insane towing capability still leading the fight, here are the 6 huge reasons why the 2027 Ford Super Duty is worth waiting for. Reason number 6, rugged off-road capability finally hits the XL. Ford is finally giving entry-level Super Duty buyers serious off-road capability without forcing them into expensive luxury trims. The new XL off-road package adds aggressive 35-inch all-terrain tires, lifted suspension tuning, skid plates, off-road shocks, and an electronic locking rear differential. Ford also includes trail control, rock crawl mode, and trail turn assist, helping these massive trucks handle muddy trails, rough work sites, and tight terrain far more confidently. That's a major shift for contractors, ranchers, and utility crews who need rugged durability without premium pricing. The 2027 Super Duty XL now feels like a true heavy-duty off-road truck, and that could reshape expectations across the entire HD segment. But Ford isn't only improving the entry-level truck, because the Tremor package is also becoming far more versatile for buyers who want one machine capable of doing everything. Reason number 5, Tremor evolves into the ultimate do-it-all setup. Ford is finally fixing one of the biggest complaints about the Tremor package: limited configurations. For 2027, Tremor expands across more trims and setups, making it far more useful for everyday buyers. One major upgrade is the ability to pair Tremor with the XL trim and STX appearance package, lowering the entry point into Ford's heavy-duty off-road lineup. Even bigger is the addition of Tremor on crew cab models with the 8-foot bed, a setup contractors, overlanders, and equipment haulers have wanted for years. The package still includes lifted suspension, skid plates, locking differentials, tuned dampers, and 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires. The result is a Super Duty capable of serious work and serious off-road adventures. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Motor Maven for more future truck updates, reviews, and automotive deep dives. Your support helps us bring more enthusiast-focused content straight to your screen. And while Ford is making the Super Duty tougher off-road, it's also transforming the commercial side of the lineup with luxury features that once seemed impossible in a true work truck. Number 4, Platinum Luxury completely changes chassis cab trucks. One of the biggest surprises in the 2027 Super Duty lineup is the arrival of Platinum trim on chassis cab models. Traditionally, trucks like the F350, F450, and F550 focus purely on utility, with comfort taking a back seat. Ford is now changing that completely. For the first time, commercial buyers can combine serious work capability with premium luxury features including leather seating, a head-up display, upgraded insulation, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. And honestly, it makes perfect sense. Many operators spend entire days inside these trucks, turning them into mobile offices and workspaces. The result is a Super Duty chassis cab lineup that feels far more refined, modern, and comfortable than ever before. But luxury alone doesn't win the heavy-duty battle, because under the hood, Ford continues to dominate where truck buyers pay the closest attention. Reason number 3, proven powertrains still rule the HD segment. In the heavy-duty world, capability still matters most, and the 2027 Super Duty continues to dominate with its proven engine lineup. Ford wisely keeps its highly competitive powertrains instead of forcing a complete redesign. The standard 6.8-liter gas V8 delivers 405 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque, while the legendary 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 produces 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet, with excellent durability and towing confidence. But the real star remains the 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel. The high-output version generates a massive 1,200 pound-feet of torque, giving the truck effortless pulling power under extreme loads. Combined with Ford's smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, the Super Duty remains one of the strongest HD trucks on the market. And all that diesel torque would mean very little without the towing and payload capability to fully back it up. Number 2. Massive capability numbers push the limits again. Ford continues dominating the heavy-duty capability war with the 2027 Super Duty. The F-350 is expected to exceed 38,000 pounds of maximum gooseneck towing capacity, while conventional towing climbs beyond 28,000 pounds depending on configuration. Payload numbers are equally impressive, with some setups capable of hauling nearly 8,000 pounds directly in the bed. That makes the truck ideal for construction equipment, industrial tools, large trailers, and serious commercial workloads. But capability today also means smarter technology. Ford adds onboard trailer scales, trailer reverse guidance, blind spot monitoring for long trailers, and a 360-degree camera system to make towing far less stressful. The result is a Super Duty that feels both brutally capable and surprisingly refined. But Ford's biggest transformation may actually be inside the cabin, where the Super Duty is finally beginning to feel genuinely premium from top to bottom. Number 1. The interior finally feels truly modern and premium. The 2027 Ford Super Duty is finally bringing genuine luxury to the heavy-duty segment. Even lower trims now feel more modern thanks to upgraded touchscreens and improved driver displays. But the biggest transformation begins with the Lariat trim, a massive 12-inch infotainment screen, fully digital gauge cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ford's faster sync system dramatically modernize the cabin experience. Higher trims like King Ranch and Platinum push even further with premium leather seating, adaptive cruise control, head-up display technology, and upscale materials that rival luxury SUVs. Ford also improves daily usability with trailer monitoring systems, cameras, and advanced driver aids. The result is a quieter, smarter, and far more comfortable Super Duty. Verdict: Ford's biggest Super Duty leap yet? The 2027 Ford Super Duty feels far more ambitious than a typical refresh. Ford isn't just improving capability, it's completely redefining what a modern heavy-duty truck can be. From serious off-road hardware finally reaching lower trims, to platinum luxury entering commercial-grade chassis cab models, this truck now targets an incredibly wide range of buyers. Add in the proven Power-Stroke diesel, massive towing numbers, smarter trailering technology, and a cabin that finally feels genuinely premium, and the Super Duty may have just raised the bar for the entire HD segment once again. At Motor Maven, this may be one of the biggest evolutions we've ever seen from the Super Duty lineup. So now we want to hear from you. Would you pick the 2027 Super Duty over the Ram HD or Silverado HD? And which upgrade impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts and dream Super Duty setup down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to subscribe to Motor Maven and turn on notifications so you never miss future automotive updates and reviews. If you thought the 2027 Super Duty was impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the adventure going with Motor Maven.